Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to be integrating Travis CI. Travis CI is a hosted continuous integration service used to build and test software projects hosted at GitHub. So we are going to try to use this. So the web address I'm using is this. If you just type Travis CI on Google, you're going to see this too. So me, I'm using the second one, travis-ci.org. So if you click on it, it's going to open up this. You're going to see sign in with GitHub. So it's always good, instead of creating any new account, you just sign in with GitHub. Once you sign in with GitHub, you can easily see your account there. So once I clicked on sign in with GitHub, because I already had an account since I've been using Travis CI, that's why I'm able to see some of my projects, the Wayfarer project, the Way Test. These are mock-up projects that I used in learning. So so I already have a repo with them because I did just sign in with GitHub. So if you click on your own sign in with GitHub, you might be seeing some authorizations and permissions. So you just click on them so that you can get signed in. So for you to be using this, that means you already have a GitHub account, which I expect all of you to already have. So this is my Travis CI. I'm going to try to bring in this the very project that I'm doing now, so that I can see it here. So these are the two major repos that I have here, Waytest and Wayfarer. But I'm going to bring in the teamwork into this place. So take note of the address, travisci.org. So to do that, I'm going to simply go and click on my repositories, because I want Travis to be seeing the code that I have in my teamwork. So you can see this new add new repository very close to your my repository. So I'm going to click on it because I want to add a new one. So now once you click on it, because you signed it with GitHub, all your repos are here. You can see all my repos. These are all my repos. So I'm going to look for the repo that I want, which is my most recent repo, and it is called teamwork demo. So if it is not in the first line, I'm going to click the next one, which is number 2, so that I will see it. You can see this is a teamwork demo. So I'm going to click on this. If you see something like a scroll here where you can pick out, you see it's now green, showing that it is now added. So it is now green, and that is how you add. So I actually synced my account, so I can click on it again, so that everything in my GitHub will also be in my Travis CI. So that is how you make your repo in GitHub to be linked up with what you have in Travis. So I just linked it up. These other two, I'm gonna just close them, 2 of them, because I don't need them anymore. So I'm having only teamwork demo as the one that is linked at the moment, so that I can be following up. So I can go back to my dashboard, and now I can only see teamwork demo as my only repo here. So I can click on trigger build, and if everything in my GitHub repo under this is working well, it's going to successively tell me that this is okay. You can see it said hooray that I did the right job. So because for now my code is still working. So anytime I make any push, I should be able to come back to this Travis CI and see whether it is working effectively. So that is my active repo teamwork, and you can see that it is working effectively now. So that is how we're going to be doing it. And most times whenever you do anything on your Travis CI, if you add any email, it might just send you an email telling you that something has gone on. So that is what really happens, in case if you see any email. Okay, you can see this one failed to build. So whenever you're having any issue in your code, you're going to be able to easily see it from Travis CI. So we're going to go back to the code and check out all these. Maybe we've not even written code for build and all those things, but I just wanted to just connect Travis CI to our work, so so that any much improvement that you make from the other side, we should be able to see it work over here. If you have any questions and concerns concerning this very Travis CL, you can simply drop them in the comment section. Thank you.